Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and hit that notification button so you could get all my new videos. So I am taking off my old nail polish that I had on, and I'll link the link to this video when I did that pedicure. And I'm just using 100% acetone to take off the polish. So St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and I wanted to have something up and ready for, I think it's Wednesday, and today's Sunday. So I'm hoping to be able to do my nails to put up Tuesday, but I'm not sure because I still have some nails on and I do not want to soak them, and so I didn't do a good prep so that they could just pop off. When they pop off, really, they don't, honestly, they don't damage my nails because I don't peel them off. They just literally just turn around, they're gone. So I'm just cleaning up my toenails, and so you can see the different color between the free edge and the cuticle, like the nail bed itself. I've said it in numerous videos that I had damaged my my toenails by accident by e-filing it too much, and so but they're growing back out and they're starting to look healthy again. So I am speeding it up so it doesn't look like I'm really roughing up my toenails. This is a no soak dry pedicure, and I just don't have it in me right now to soak it and do all that. I do have some videos where I do soak if you want to see that, and I use trying to remember the brand that I use to do the pedicure, the soak pedicure. Light Elegance. I love their pedicure stuff. I see kiaraSky came out with her version of it. I haven't had the chance to order it yet because I still have Light Elegance. And right now I have so many nail products that I don't want them to go bad on me before I end up using them. Like, I have a lot of nail foil glue, and those things, they say they have a shelf life of 1 year, but I don't know how long it's been on shelf before it got to me. I went using it one time, it didn't work. I'm like, why isn't all my foil sticking? And that's when I learned about that. So you do have to be careful of the products you purchase and how long you keep them on shelf. I have a lot of old polish that when I went to use it, they're so dry I couldn't even put acetone in there to get them back. And so because of that, I just kind of calmed down on buying supplies. So I have my kiaraSky portable e-file, but I'm just kind of you know filing it a little bit soft. It looks fast and rough right there, but I just kind of do it soft to help get some of the polish off my toenails. And I got my license actually March 30th. I think will be actually 2 years since I've got my license, and a year I needed to feel comfortable enough to feel like I can actually open up a business. In the meantime, I did YouTube videos on them, learned a lot from like Long Hair Pretty Nails, Natalie, I think her name is, and kiaraSky. I mean, I've learned a lot, but I don't think I can do this as a business because people are rude, and so. And then the pandemic happened and a lot of salons are closed. So anyways, I got this base coat from Rite Aid, and I like it. And this is a regular polish, it's not gel. And I won't put gel on my toes. Well, I won't say I would never, but I really don't want to put gel on my toes. But they do have a base coat that is a peel off base coat. So I want to try that with gel and see how long it will take to come off, how easy it will to come off. Like, because sometimes I want to do like a nail art on my big toe, and it's hard to do it with regular nail polish. So like I'm using stamp for this one, and I had to let it like dry for almost like an hour. Like, I did my toes and then I did some work around the house and let it dry, and I was afraid that, hey, what if I mess up and I need to take it off, that I would end up taking off the polish as well. So that's the only reason that I wouldn't mind putting on gel polish on my big toe, but then I would try to peel off base coat. I love this little tray, you guys, because you get to recycle all your glitter And I have a bigger version too for when I do my regular arts and crafts. So hey guys, if you haven't by now, please take this chance to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you are the first to get my videos. So I have that so far, all the base coats down, and then I have the glitter. And now I'm using kiaraSky regular polish, and I do have, all the products I buy from kiaraSky was when I went to a nail show. And I went with a friend that we got our license at the same time, and we went together. It was so much fun. Make sure you take a lot of money when you go in these things because you get a lot of discount. And I bought a lot of her gel and lacquer to match. So I have a lot of products. Then I have Madame Glam. I have no, I don't have any young nail polish, but I have a lot of like his builder gel. I have like their primer, and different things like that. So I'm kind of cooling down and buying polish right now because I also have a lot of Orly products, gel and regular polish. And I kind of really wanted to turn this into a mobile business. See, I love this color right here. I wanted to turn this into a mobile nail business, but cosmetology state board, they require nothing short a vehicle nothing short of 24 feet. So 24 feet, I have the space to park a 24 feet vehicle, but it's on a hill. So when you come into my yard, it comes in at an angle. So, and then if there's a car parked across the street, on both sides of the street at the same street, the same side, like one on across the street and one on the other side of the street, but side by side, like I cannot come out of my driveway. So I figured that would be a problem. And I don't know how much of this I could have done because I also have kids that goes to school. Well, not currently right now, but they're at home learning. So it was hard to do, figure out how I would do it. So in the meantime, I just learned a lot, YouTubed a lot, got a lot of information because I've always loved doing nails. And and right now with the pandemic, it's hard to even think of starting any new business. So I'm just going to cool off that for a minute. I did have friends and family coming by that would allow me to practice on them. But with the pandemic, I'm not allowing anyone over right now. And so I can't say what's going to happen tomorrow, but for right now, that's the situation. So anyways, I love the green, I love the gold, and I love her white. White for me is like so hard to put on because it's never, I don't know, it never looks really neat. But this is, starting to look really good. I bought this stamp, I want to think from AliExpress, and I was shocked, or Amazon. I don't know, it's an old stamper, old meaning a year, and I didn't have it I got it after the last year St. Patty's Day. I got it after. Look at this, it's so nice. So I'm hoping my nails would come off so that I could use the stamp on that. And I bought all of those from AliExpress, and yeah, they're really good, and the tape really helps. So with stamping, the polish have to be a certain consistency, kind of a thicker side. If it's too watery, it's not gonna work. And you can't play around with it. So if my room is the right temperature, because my room either get really hot or really cold, even though I have a vent in there, it's not insulated, so it's really a waste of electricity, to be honest with you. But anyways, if my room is the right consistency, like I had a friend come by one time and I did 10, like I started doing all like her nails with stamping, and they're working so fine. And by the time I got to the other hand, I was like, why isn't it working? And I was like, couldn't not figure out why it wasn't working. And that's when I learned, just by trial and error, that my room's starting to get hot. Not only that, my hand was touching the bottle, it was kind of warming up the bottle, it was kind of getting too runny. And that's when I eventually learned. So that's what happened. But anyways, I love my Orly products, and I'm just using regular top coat. I waited for the stamping polish to dry and to put on that's why I missed that too, because I'm like, hey, I think I just did that one last, so let's do this one first. So that's what I ended up doing. And I kind of said, hey, should I have put down green stamp instead of gold? So, but anyways, I did the goal. It's done. And I really like how it came out. It was easy to clean off with the acetone. And so now I'm just sealing this one with the Orly top coat. And then I'll put on a little rhinestone in the 4-leaf clover right there. So cute. I really like how this came out, you guys. Now I'm going to put on my cuticle oil. Make my toe look like it's pretty again. And so it doesn't wear that when you're doing a pedicure and everything looks so ratchet, and when you're done it's like a makeover for your feet. I like to use coconut oil, to be honest with you. So here we have it. It came out so pretty. I like it. Look at that. That little hole right there in the 4-leaf clover is actually a whole-leaf clover in a whole-leaf clover. So anyways, here it is. A better look. It says good luck. I love you guys. Thanks for subscribing. It means a lot. And the next video coming up, I'm trying to see. I'm hoping it'll be the nails, but we'll see. Stick around, check it out. And again, don't forget to see the little thing. It's actually a 4-leaf clover in a 4-leaf clover. It's not a hole. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't leave without subscribing. Take care. Bye-bye.